Hey everyone, so this video is going to be a collective haul for some products, quite a few that I've purchased in the last couple of months. I thought I would share them with you. Some of them I've tried already, some of them I haven't, but they are from a whole heap of different types of stores. Sephora, an online store called Adore Beauty, Priceline, Woolworths, Kmart, Target, Coles, so a few of them are just like grocery stores in Australia. So I will go through everything that I've purchased. If you have any questions or comments, if you've tried any of these products, let me know your thoughts, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you have any requests or questions about any of these products that I show you, please leave them in the comments below as well. So let's get into it. The first thing that I purchased was from Priceline, and normally I'd purchase my Real Techniques brushes from iHerb, but I was in Priceline and they had a sale which brought them down to a more reasonable price. iHerb is still cheaper, but it was close anyway, so I picked this one up. It's their Sculpting Set, so you have the sculpting brush, which is a densely packed angled brush, the fan brush and the setting brush. I have one of these already, but I like to have multiple brushes if I'm doing things, so I can just swap between them if I'm doing different colours, things like that. I just find it easier. I like the Real Techniques brushes. I've got a few, I've had some for years and they have held up quite well. So I do like them. The next few things I picked up were from Adore Beauty. So that's an online store here in Australia. I'm pretty sure they're based out of Victoria. I've seen this product on Instagram and just people reviewed it in general, but they generally have lighter coloured hair. So I was interested to see how this would work out for somebody with darker hair or red hair, or I will have red hair again soon. My roots are coming back through, so I do need to dye it. And I don't want to review this until I've dyed my hair, because I want to have accurate before and after pictures instead of before being, you know, regrowth and stuff, and then after being beautifully freshly coloured. It's not going to be a true representation. But this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. I've seen a lot of people talk about this, but generally they have quite fair hair or bleached hair. So I'm not sure how it's going to work. If you've tried it, please let me know, particularly if you have darker hair. Let me know how you've gone. But I picked up a duo pack because it was cheaper to pick up 2 than to buy them separately. So I thought I would give it a go in case I like it. If I don't like it, I might just pass on the second bottle to somebody in my family who has blonde hair or lighter hair that it might work for. The next things I purchased are quite a few nail polishes. Surprise, surprise, like I need more. Oh well. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you'll probably notice that I have been painting my nails quite frequently, and I don't post every single time that I paint my nails either. I generally get sick of what's on my nails 2 or 3 days after I've painted them. So I thought I'd pick up a few more colours. These ones in particular are from the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear collection. I like this formula and it is actually quite affordable, I guess is the right word to say, compared to other nail polishes here in Australia. I think these are about $7 a bottle, which sounds expensive, I know, for some of you overseas, but that is actually a decent price. And they are on sale quite a lot. Sally Hansen has 30% off or buy 2 get 1 free, things like that all the time at Priceline. So I picked up quite a few colours, which I'll go through really quickly for you. So this is the colour Drop the Beat, which I think is one of their limited edition colours at the moment. Then we've got Radical Rockstar. It's more of an orange based red colour. Then a really, really orange colour, Sunkissed. It's very vibrant orange. This one is Camelot. I think this as well is one of their limited edition releases. It's just like a beigey neutral tone. Babe Blue. It's very vibrant baby blue with a little bit of purple in there, so I quite like that one. This one is Peppa Plum, so Peplum. It's similar to the Drop the Beat, but a bit more violet than that deeper shade. It's a little bit brighter. This one is Day Cream. It's a slightly off-white with more pink undertone to it. Then we have Pucker Up, which is like a neutral red. It's not too orange, it's not too blue. Then we've got Bamboo Shoot, which is a very, very pale pink colour. Next is Rock My Way, which is sort of like a purple-based brown shade. I don't really wear browns that often, but when I'm doing nail art, sometimes it comes in handy. Then it's Cherry Red, which is a more blue-toned red. Two more. We've got Jazzy Jade, which I actually really, really like this colour. I've used it a few times since buying it already. But I like purples and teals in general. Then Garage Band, which is a glittery, it's like a black base with silver glitters to make it an almost gunmetal chrome look to it. I haven't tried that one yet though. I also picked up a few Essence nail polishes. This is the gel top coat nail polish and the gel base coat. Then I picked up the Sally Hansen Big Quick Dry top coat. Next are two Essie polishes. One is their Good To Go top coat, which I've been using and I quite like it. I didn't like it the first time I used it a long time ago, but yeah, I do like it now. So I bought a second bottle because my first bottle ran out. And this is their First Base coat. And so far it's worked really, really well. I've been using it quite a lot already. And yeah, I really like both of them. The next thing is from L'Oreal. It's the Paradise Pomade Ecstatic. This is in the colour Brunette. There was another one that I think might have been a better match, but they were sold out of it. I have tried this once and maybe I'm just not the pomade kind of girl because I really didn't like it. But I will give it a go because it might just be technique, which apparently I have none when it comes to these types of products. So we'll see how it goes. Next is a Maybelline Brow Volumizer. So it's the Brow Precise Fibre Volumizer in Auburn. I think I've tried something similar to this, which I picked up in America. But when I saw this in an Auburn shade, pretty much anytime I see an eyebrow product in an Auburn shade, I will grab it and try it because not many of them are released with a more like a red undertone, or sometimes they're too orange, but it's worth a try because I struggle when I try to find something in that shade range. And I thought it's interesting because it's got little fibres in it and I don't have many eyebrow hairs. My hair on my eyebrows is quite sparse and patchy, so I need some help and I thought I'll give it a go. Next is some skincare or some skin treatment things, I guess, as well. All from L'Oreal Paris. I think I picked up some of them from Woolworths and some of them from Priceline. So this first one is the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Anti-Blemish Mask. It's the blue one. I've tried the green one, which is like a eucalyptus, the red, which I think is algae, and the black, which is charcoal. I like all of those. I think I liked the red one the best. But this one I thought was interesting, being the Clears Blackheads and Tightens Pores. That sounds relevant to my interests. So it's got, again, 3 clays and marine algae, so I thought I would give it a go. So far I liked the other ones. Next, I also picked up some of their sugar scrubs. So the first one is their Sugar Scrub in Glow. So it has sugar and grapeseed oil. I haven't tried that one yet, but I have tried this one. It's the Sugar Scrub Nourishing Scrub, which is cocoa butter. I love this stuff, so I actually picked up a second one because it was on sale, and I picked up one for my mum too. I really, really like it. Makes my skin really soft and smooth, so I'm a fan. And it smells really good too. It's kind of like a batter, like a cupcake batter scent, but I think it's really nice. And the last one I picked up was the third of the range, and it's the Sugar Scrub Purifying Scrub. It's got kiwi seeds in it. And I have tried this one once and it worked really well. It felt really nice, but I kind of like the nourishing one a bit more. I don't know if it's because it smells like chocolate or like a chocolate batter. But yeah, they're all nice so far. They're the ones that I've tried, so I'll see how the third one goes. Next up from Priceline is 2 products that I use on my nails pretty much on a daily basis. I finished a lot of cuticle oils. Like the OPI one has the cuticle oil in like a nail polish bottle, and I think Manicare had one as well. But I've just kept the bottles and I just refill them up with a mixture of these 2 products. So the first one is jojoba oil. So it's just the 100% natural jojoba oil and pure vitamin E oil. Next is face halo. So I've already opened this quite obviously. I sent one, it's a 3-pack. I think it's like $30. This is actually from Priceline. I picked it up. This is, yeah, just like a makeup wipe. I have tried like a face wash thing where you wet it and wipe off your makeup. I've tried it once with a full face of makeup and I was a little not quite sure how I feel. Benefit of the doubt though, I'm going to keep trying it and see how it goes. But I did send one to a friend as well. The next thing I purchased was a rollerball from Nest Fragrances and it's the Black Tulip. I own this in a large size, but I didn't have anything to take with me to reapply throughout the day, so I picked one of those up, and you all know how I feel about Nest Fragrances. Next are some Pore pore packs. This is the deep cleaning pore strips for the nose and the face, so there's a mixture. You've got some just rectangular ones and then ones designed to fit over your nose. I like them. I purchase them all the time. They are what they are. Next up, some face masks. So these are some face masks from Neutrogena. It's Hydro Boost, Youthful Boost and Purifying Boost. I like sheet masks, they're handy to have, and I thought I would give them a go. The colours are really pretty, aren't they? Nice packaging, I like it. Next, I picked up a Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. I already have one of these. This is in the light brown shade, which is quite reddy, orangey undertone, but that's fine with me because it goes with my hair, at least at the moment anyway. As you know, I've already tried it, I already own it, and I actually really do like it. It makes it no fuss. It's so easy, now it is anyway. It's just getting the shape, which takes practice, but I really, really like it. Next, I picked up more face masks. So many masks. These ones are from Woolworths and they were having a 50% off sale. And I actually really, really like the face masks from Skin Republic, and I thought, why not stock up, because they don't expire for a really long time. I think they've got 2 years to use these. So why not pamper myself every week or a couple of times a week. Next are some things from Kmart that I purchased. The first one's a little head towel that goes over your head and it's got a button on the back. I'll just put these down. A little button that goes on the back and you kind of twist it and pull it down, and it's great. I have one, I don't know where I got it, but it's purple and I use it all the time. Just kind of put my hair up, let it dry, leave it, forget about it. So I picked one up when I saw it at Kmart. I think it was like $5, so that's really good. And then these aren't really makeup or beauty related in any way, but I'm going to use them as makeup bags because I couldn't help myself, they were shiny. They're so cool. These are little pouches, I guess, handheld pouches. But I know these are kind of like last season, it's so 2017. These are those sequin things where you flick it and it's one colour one way and then another colour the other way. I don't know, I just really liked the colours of them. And also from Kmart, those were from Kmart too if I didn't say, but also from Kmart are some earring sets. I've got one in at the moment which is just like little black dots. This is a set, I think it was $2. Yeah, it says it up there. got some studs, different colours, silver, gold, like a rosy gold, pearls and black. Just something simple. I don't wear earrings very often, and I don't tend to wear really complicated jewellery in general, as you can tell by my clear lack of it at the moment. But I also picked up these for something a little bit different. This was $4 for this set, and I was interested in these. They're kind of the ones that have the little stud and then it has the bigger ball that sits under your ear. I also don't wear dangly earrings very often because my ears are uneven, quite uneven. So I don't like to draw attention to it, particularly with dangly earrings, because you can tell they are lopsided. But we'll see how they go. Maybe I'll just keep turning my head so you can't see two at the same time. Next are some hair things. Don't know what else to call them. Hair accessories. They're not really accessories. They're like hair tools, I guess. Some jumbo dark bobby pins. I have been using bobby pins a bit more in some of the attempts to style my hair. But the blonde ones stand out too much, so I just have to get the dark brunette ones. Next is a small hair clip, is what it's called. And it is just that, just a little tortoise shell coloured plastic hair clip. I've got very, very fine flat hair, and sometimes I don't like to wear it all up and I don't like to wear it all down. So if I just put a little bit at the back up, like a half up but not quite half, I was going to use this instead of a hair elastic. So just letting you know, that's why I bought it. And these were weird, and I have seen other people use them, and I don't know how I'm going to go because I'm terrible at hair. That's one thing. I wish I was better at doing hair. No good at all. This is the extent of my creativity. But these are the twirly, what are they called? Like they're little screws for hair. Like the twisty pin things. I'll show you. That's one of them there. See, it's like a little DNA. So yeah, apparently you're meant to use them in hair like updos, where you kind of twirl things and you screw it in and it holds it. I don't know. Oh, I thought I could be fancy and try them, but we'll see. I'm not sure. I'll keep you updated. So that's everything. It was another big one, but I guess that's what happens when I don't have a lot of time to film. It kind of accumulates, and I just want to share everything with you. So that is a collective haul of things that I've picked up over the few months that I've been stockpiling them. Now I can put them away properly. I hope you guys enjoyed it again, and if you have any questions or comments or feedback, if you've tried any of this stuff and it works for you or it doesn't work for you, let me know. Likewise, if you want to see any of these in more detail, that way I can either film something or do something on Instagram and let you know. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed it all, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or evening or whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'm going to see you all in my next video.